Here is how you can create flash effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag your video clips into the timeline. Now we have to create flash effect in between the two clips. To do this, create an adjustment layer by right-clicking on Project Panel, go to New Item, and then Adjustment Layer. Once Adjustment Layer is created, right-click on the adjustment layer and select Speed Duration. Now change last two zeros to 15 frames. If you want faster or slower flash, you can adjust accordingly. Now drag the adjustment layer above the cut, zoom the timeline, make better placement. Once your adjustment layer is centered above the cut, go to Effects panel. Type Brightness in search bar. Drag Brightness and Contrast Effect on Adjustment Layer. Now select the adjustment layer and go to Effects Control. Click the stopwatch next to Brightness and Contrast to create a keyframe. Move the marker to the middle of adjustment layer. Now change the value of Brightness and Contrast to 100 to create two more keyframes in the middle of your adjustment layer. Now go to the end of adjustment layer and change both of the values to 0. Check your effect. Thank you for watching.